In 1894 to 1966, George Lemaitre, the father of Big Bang Theory, described that the expansion of the observable universe began with the explosion of a single particle at a definite point in time. In 1440 years ago, the Holy Quran said, أَوَلَمْ يَرَ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا أَنَّ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضَ كَانَتَا رَتْقًا فَفَتَقْنَاهُمَا وَجَعَلْنَا مِنَ الْمَاءِ كُلَّ شَيْءٍ حَيٍّ أَفَلَا يُؤْمِنُونَ. Did the unbelievers who do not accept the teaching of the Prophet not realize that the heavens and the earth were one solid mass? Then we tore them apart and we made every living being out of water. Will they then not believe that we created all these? Today we all know about the Big Bang Theory by the science and technology, but Almighty Allah has informed us in 1440 years ago by His Messenger Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam in the Holy Quran that He created the earth and the heaven by the explosion those which was together before. Thus the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and the revelation of the Holy Quran prove the existence of Almighty Allah.